When I say I did not expect to get these, I didn't see it happening at all. Sometimes we get lucky. What's good YouTube, Ash Bash, back again with another video. And this is like my third video in a row of this crazy launch weekend. Absolute madness. If you see my previous video, I got the Game Roll Jordan 1s. I did my little waffle video talking about all of Nike's crazy release schedule at the moment and whatnot. And this one right here, absolute madness. I was chatting to someone on Twitter the other day about all the releases coming out, and I was saying I need to add the Tinkers to my Jordan 3 collection when I posted my little circle picture of all my threes. And he said, yeah, good luck with that. And I was thinking, for real, the chance of me getting it is pretty much slim to none, but you never know. And I did mention in my, I think it was my Game Roll video, that when these came out on the Nike website on release day, I was expecting each pair to have the 30-second countdown that they have recently. We've got 30-minute countdown, so you've got 30 minutes to actually enter your name into the list and you get selected at random or whatever. But I luckily chose this as my first pair. So I went on there, put all my details in, UK size 10, check out. Then I went to the Game Rolls, check out. Then I went to the Weatherspoons, and then once I had the 30-second checkout, so I was like, wow, maybe it was first come, first serve on the Tinkers. Luckily, that's the first pair I did. And then when I got the PayPal email saying the price has gone through, I was like, raw. Went to check it and I was like, sugar. Actually, one of all of them, I did not expect that. I thought that was gonna be like the most limited of the bunch. Zero luck, but your boy got them and your boy is gassed. But enough talking about me. Let's open this box and show you the shoes and tell you a little bit more about them. So if you don't know who Tinker Hatfield is, he's the guy that designed the Jordan 3s, and he is a G. It's a crazy story. Like when he got given the task, he only had like a couple of weeks to get the designs out to show Michael Jordan to see if he liked them and whatnot. The original designer of the Jordans was Peter Moore. He left the company, jumped ship to Adidas, and he only had like a couple of weeks when it was passed on to Tinker Hatfield, who just joined the company as a designer, to get the sneakers out. Some say that Peter Moore did it last minute to sort of sabotage the deal and make sure that Jordan jumped to Adidas. But luckily he didn't. He stayed with Nike, which is why we have all these fire kicks that we have now. And we have these fire Jordan 3s. So this pair right here, which is super special. Basically, I don't know if it's the first design, but it's one of the designs that Tinker Hatfield had for the Jordan 3s. If you've noticed on the Jordan 2s and the 3s, they don't have a swoosh at all, whereas in one of his designs, they did have a swoosh, and that is the pair that he has made and finally brought out from one of his original sketches. Let's check them out. I haven't seen them in person yet, so you can be gassed with me. Lego. So this box is pretty sweet. I'm assuming that is Tinker Hatfield's signature on the top of the box there. Bottom of the box is elephant print, like all the other Jordan 3s. On the box here it says Air Jordan 3 Retro, Tinker, colorway, white, black, fire red, in a UK 10. Don't think there's any other branding on here. Bottom of the box it says Nike, swoosh, air sole, Jumpman, Fire Flames. So let's open them up and take a look. Woo! Holy freaking holy shit. Oh man, absolutely insane. This is the best ever. Holy crap, bloody hell, these are so fire. Anywho, so as you can see, boom, these are the Jordan 3 Tinkers, as we like to call them, kind of in that black cement colorway, but wow, so fire. So, oh my gosh, so fire. Right, let's get some close-ups and show you some of the details of this insane kick. Let's go. So as you can see, the shoe is in all over white leather, tumble, super plush for the price, and for the fact it was the Tinkers. They better do it in super quality, and they have super nice leather all white on the upper hair towards the toe. Is in this elephant print but in black, not your normal sort of grey elephant print, it's in black. And it's got this extra grey border around it again in this grey. Super fire. Back of the shoe, also got this elephant print again in black. It's got the air unit which is inside there and the white midsole. Then we have the swoosh. It works. Oddly enough, I think this works and I'm surprised it wasn't used as the original design. That is super fire. Back of the shoe, Nike Air, not the Jumpman, Nike Air in red, super dope. And inside here, it doesn't have the swoosh again, it just has Nike branding on there. Very dope, and it's very clean. White leather again. Oh man, I'm so gassed, sorry. On the tongue, white foam tongue with a red Jumpman. And inside the shoe, it says Tinker Hatfield, it's got a signature inside there. Super duper fire. On the laces, comes with flat white laces with some red eyelets towards the bottom, grey ones towards the top. Let's see if the insole is anything cool. Ah, cool. The insole as well has Tinker Hatfield signature, a fire flames. Whoa, and I just noticed this as well. On this little tag that normally comes to the Jordan Jumpman, it's got Tinker Hatfield signature and the Jumpman logo. This is bonkers. Let's see if there's any spare laces or anything. This is bonkers, bro. No, it looks like no spare laces on this. This is just how they come. I'm rating that big time. Bottom of the shoe, grey, white and red. Looks identical to the black cement 3s to me, from my memory. Super fire. Anywho, let's chuck them on feet, show you what they're like. And we're back. That was a quick look on the feet of this kick, and I'm still beaming, super gassed. These are fire. I think they're going straight to #1 as my favorite ever. Holy crap. Holy crap. Super fire. But yeah, UK 10, sizing wise UK 10, fit you true to size, so go for normal Jordan 3 sizing. Jordan luckily doesn't really mess about with the sizes, they fit the same all the time for me anyways. Super gassed to have these, mate. Fire. Look dope on feet, as you could see, as you would expect. And yeah, that's the end of the video. Hopefully you enjoyed. Like, comment, subscribe, follow me on IG, Ashbash Sneakers, link down below in the description as well. Signing off, more videos to come. Every Monday got my waffle videos. Hit that bell, make sure you get a notification every time I upload. I'm out. Later.